Welcome to the course on SAP ABAP New Syntax. In this video tutorial, I will try to address few basic questions. What is New ABAP Syntax? SAP has introduced a modern approach to the programming in SAP ABAP from ABAP 7.40 onwards, often referred to as the New ABAP Syntax. From ABAP 7.40 onwards, SAP has introduced various new elements to the SAP ABAP language. Let's try to understand these with simple hands-on examples in this course. Why to learn new ABAP syntax? The new ABAP syntax introduces several new ABAP language elements that make it more expressive and powerful. For example, constructor expressions, table expressions, and inline declarations allow you to write more concise and expressive code. It is important to stay up to date with the latest development in ABAP syntax to fully utilize its capabilities. For example, new OpenSQL syntax supports SAP HANA built-in functions. It is also possible to write a select query with the arithmetic expressions, arithmetic functions, and case expressions. Learning the new ABAP syntax can help you write better, more efficient, and more maintainable code. What will you learn in this course? In this course, I will discuss with you all the topics mentioned over here. First, we will cover all the necessary theory associated, and then in the hands-on session, we will see how to write the ABAP report using new syntax elements. Why to learn new SAP ABAP syntax with us? We have designed the course structure such a way that you will get more information in less time. Each topic is discussed in detailed theory and hands-on sessions. All the video lectures that are discussed in this course are less than 10 minutes to keep you focused. You will learn by comparing old syntax with the new syntax for better understanding. We have kept all the examples discussed in this course simple to understand in one go. You will also get all the ABAP programs discussed in this course for your practice and reference purpose.